What's going on, guys? My name is Timothy or Tombug, and I know I'm in a little bit of a different recording setup, but today I want to show you guys how you can navigate and interact with the Sirius Power PC affiliate portal as effectively as possible. I'll probably make an update a few months down the road, just because some things will most likely change. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So the first place you're going to want to head is SiriusPowerPC.com, which I've pulled up right here, but I'll also leave a link in the description down below if you want to check that out there. Next, come up here to where it says Affiliate Program, and go ahead and click on that. That'll bring you to our affiliate page. This is basically where you can check out some of our information on the affiliates program, like our affiliate competition, which is going on right now. Go ahead and sign up at the link in the description down below if you want to join that. You'll also learn a bit more about the affiliate program itself. You have some places to sign in and log in. I would recommend reading over all of this. I also made an affiliate program introduction video last week, so if you want to go check that out, I'll leave that linked in the description down below. At the bottom of the page, we just have some frequently asked questions. This is stuff like, how long does it take to become an official Sirius Power PC affiliate? So you can get any questions answered like this, and then we do have our commission policy right here for you to look at more in depth if you choose to do so. Once you are ready to sign up, you can just scroll up here and click sign up. Once you click sign up, that'll bring you to our sign up page. Basically, we'll just need your name, your preferred username, the account email that you wish to be associated with your affiliate account, your payment email. We pay through PayPal, so this is going to be the PayPal account that you have associated with that email. And then we have a free text field here for how will you promote us. Basically, if you're going to promote our PCs pretty much anywhere, we want to know about where you're going to be promoting it. So let's say you have an Instagram, go ahead and mention, I will be promoting your PCs and products on Instagram. If you have a tech-centered blog, drop that in the website URL above, and also in the how will you promote us section, just kind of say, hey, I'm going to promote you via my tech blog. This is the URL. Things like that. Please do let us know where you plan to promote our products here in the how will you promote us section. Then you'll want your password. Go ahead and confirm your password. Agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Do keep in mind it'll take 1 to 3 business days for us to review your application, especially if there are a lot of applications at one time. It will take us a little bit longer to review your application, but you'll get an email to the email address that you provided above as soon as you are accepted into the program. So once you're accepted into the program, you can come back up here and just click affiliate login. This will bring you to our login page where you will enter your username and password and choose if you want us to remember you or not, and go ahead and click login. All right, guys, once you enter your username and password and click login, you should be brought to this page right here. This is your dashboard. It's basically going to give you some quick information and overview about your account, such as the referrals you've made in the last 30 days, visits or clicks that you have on your links in the last 30 days, and your conversion rate of links clicked to products ordered with us in a percentage. You'll also have some all-time information kept right down here, and you'll get recent referral activity to see how much people are buying. For example, the reference, the amount, the description, the status, and the date associated with that recent referral activity. On the left over here, you'll see a variety of tabs, such as affiliate URL statistics, graphs, referrals, payouts, visits, coupons, creatives, additional resources, and affiliate taxes. I'm going to give you a brief insight. You can look into all of this if you want to, but I'll give you very brief overviews of each individual page here. So for the affiliate URLs page, this is basically going to be your unique referral. You can then also have a QR code here, which you can save or print if you want to. Now down here is your unique URL. So this is your generated referral. And as you can see, I can copy this link and share it. This is my personal URL for my personal channel. So in the event that I promote any products, I will provide this URL. That way Sirius Power PC knows that it is people clicking on and ordering from my link. This is the stuff right here. This is exactly what you're going to want to copy. This is what you'll want to be promoting on your website, social media, etc. Now we're on to the statistics page. This is basically going to be pretty much all of your information, right? So this is going to be how many people visit, how many paid referrals, how many unpaid referrals, unpaid earnings, paid earnings, your commission rate, lifetime customers, conversion rate, and some campaign-related information down below. In your graphs page, this is basically just going to be filters that you can use to see how much people are ordering, how much money you're getting from orders and stuff. It's like the statistics page, but it's its own page for graphs. Now, the referrals page is basically just when someone buys something, it'll appear right here. You'll be able to see everything about that particular order and see who bought it, how much they paid, the description, the status, the date, etc. Here in the payouts, this will basically be when you get your payouts, how much they're for, how you got paid, and the status of that payout. In the visits page right here, it's just basically going to be everybody that clicks on one of your link, you will get confirmation that they visited through your link. The coupon page isn't quite built out, but we're hoping in the next couple months that we will be able to provide you and your audience some unique coupons that they can use to save on whatever they may order through Sirius Power PC. Finally, under the Creatives tab, we have some basic promotional info that you can use to promote to your audience. We have some various posts and projects that you can basically upload. We have some 1920 by 1080 stuff. We have some 1080 by 1080 stuff to share as a square post on Instagram. And basically, this will just let you view various things and also copy that image. So, you know, if you do want to go ahead and promote that, we have some pre-made promotion for you here. Then in your user settings up at the top right, you basically just have your payments, payment email. That will be blurred because I don't want you guys to have my personal payment email. Things like notifications, enable basically you get an email whenever someone uses your referral code, and pushover user keys so that you can receive referral notifications with Pushover, which is an app that allows you to track your different referrals and information regarding your referrals. But yeah, guys, that is going to be it for this tutorial. This is just a very, very basic overview. Again, once we build out our affiliate program a little bit more, get some more people involved with our affiliate program, I'll be making a video a few months down the road that basically gives a more detailed, more in-depth information on that. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I'll try to respond to every single comment. Thank you so much for watching, and again, if you want to sign up for our affiliate program, just head to the link in the description down below. I'll have the link to SiriusPowerPC.com and to our affiliate program in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.